headlines. Ex-MLA R.K. Anand slams ruling BJP for doing little on pressing issues. IED detected on Imphal-Ukhrul Road, major tragedy averted. And Congress leaders in discussion ahead of meeting with NCP later. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Former MLA R.K. Anand today targeted the ruling BJP in Manipur for its inability to convene a special assembly session to discuss the current critical issue of the state. He was speaking to the press at his Kwakakil Akamlaikai residence in Imphal, flanked by political activist Age Nabasham. R.K. Anand was unhappy over what he termed backwardness of Manipur since its merger with the Union of India. He commented on the content of the Naga Peace Accord and mentioned about the communication gap between Kokomi and the government. He asserted that the people of the state have no trust in the government of India because of its past deception. Anand demanded Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister N. Biren to clear the stand on the current issues.
Some of the MLAs where are they? Manipuri CM Manipuri critical assembly ko matangda cabinet mi switch they have often lakre later MLA man sing sida one and all without leaving out even a single MLA. I couldn't even Manipuri assembly ko good they have some women in the talk to give Maru in the BJP lady MLA man sing we talked in the Tanzania. My first duty say Manipur Miam na haiba se thabo ina translate to se leaving aside party siana poi first duty de haije baduni siana to gudam nesini.
The NEIDP leader R.K. Anand further expressed concern about the territorial integrity of the state and the political threat given by CAB. He urged the people to stay alert and suggested that the matter surrounding CAB should be discussed with the stakeholders of the Northeast before it is reintroduced in the parliament.
Ngasi government of India na koi Manipur da yeng ba midyeng Northeast yeng midyeng kari midyeng noina full ta na thugai ba durai tuba situations the role of Prime Minister yam important way Prime Minister na koi Manipur miam da parliament ki phane am chillaga su matam kai thokadam ne Manipur ki dam da Northeast ki dam da koi Manipur as it is hanai soi leiba hojiki films lakta de ena soninga we wapam so ko fill the way CAB ki office of parliament to the stakeholders have Manipur the whole of Northeast states man no problem
Anand also demanded the authority to disclose the whereabouts of the former UNLF chairman R.K. Meghan.
This is wrong on the part of the government of India. See, law enforcing agency and home department city it's against the law. Immediately, young Meghan, he should be set free. Ngasi police lady, ngasi army lady, ngasi prime minister lady, ngasi president lady, ngasi chief minister lady, MLA lady. She has a topanamita. There will be no India. Electoral politics, pratoga, ngasi tu ni have wapan to di. Ngasi, I well wishes me am yadi. I rap politics retirement loan have often the high facility as a massive clarification symptom being a
Rahuki do Niku Manipur Sari. How's it integrity the Muda Mimang talk to nation, say, Mayam, Tom from the lane to Tanzania, CB in a Mutuarium. Stay in a time people cry like the Gabinia. Masibu Kari Karamba, democratic country, Mada, like Miam state as a picket as Awida, Manipur state, to Mummy from Town Kanga Layer, Matamsida. At the CB, dosa among Pisalapi, dosa after dosa. Rahuki to Nisavas, Masim Tangdi, Mr. Prime Minister, Amtangdi, Masi Kanda Bioba, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi Aduna. I quit the net, dosa Magamata dosa, and Nakoja, Kang Kong Savili Baxi, Amuk do in Bigano.
Security forces today detected a RCIED along Imphal Ukhrul Road under Lamlai area of Manipur, averting a major tragedy. The powerful bomb was found planted near Flora Children Park of Lamlai, Fowabi under Lamlai Police Station. 15 Assam rifles is posted in the area. The explosive was found by a road opening party of 6 Assam rifles around 9 this morning. It was found wrapped in a black plastic bag. The security personnel used sniffer dogs in detecting the bomb. The 6 Assam rifles, 15 Assam rifles and Lamlai police blocked Imphal Ukhrul Road for some time as precautionary measures. A bomb disposal squad was called in and the bomb was defused later in the afternoon using Assam Rifles signal jammer. According to bomb experts, the explosive weighs around 3 kgs and is a medium intensity remote control double mechanism improvised explosive device. They said if exploded, the bomb could have caused major destruction and casualties within the range of 100 meter, which is 1 kilometer radius. Ahead of a meeting with the Congress to chalk out the contours of the proposed alliance with Shiv Sena to form the government in Maharashtra, NCP's Nawab Malik said the only way to form the government was by allying with the Uddhav Thackeray-led party. According to media reports clarifying on party supremo Sharad Pawar's meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi today, Malik said farmers were going through a tough phase as there was no government in the state and the meeting was to apprise the PM of the crisis. Shiv Sena's senior leader Sanjay Raut too sought to play down the meeting, saying Pawar had always been concerned about farmers of the state, after which all parties from Maharashtra will call on Modi to seek funds for affected farmers. Meanwhile, NCP President Sharad Pawar met Prime Minister Narendra Modi to seek his urgent intervention in addressing farmer distress in the state. Pawar said in a memorandum that he brought the alarming situation to the Prime Minister's notice and demanded a complete and unconditional farm loan waiver in the wake of the recent damage due to unseasonal rains. The Pawar-Modi meeting, which went on for 50 minutes, took place in the backdrop of hectic parleys between the Congress, NCP and the Shiv Sena to form government in Maharashtra. Imphal East and West Police conducted cordon and operation in Imphal's Palace compound today. It was carried out by a team of Imphal East Police under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations T.H. Krishnatombi. Around 100 persons were verified during the search operation. However, no one was picked up. Imphal East Police also conducted an awareness program for shop owners in Palace compound area to stop them from throwing trash in front of their shops. On the other hand, in Imphal West District, the City Police, under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Amarjit Lamabam, conducted search operation at MG Avenue in Imphal City. Around 180 individuals were verified and 8 individuals were picked up and handed over to City Police for further verification. Later, the same team also conducted search operation in and around Naganala of Nagamapal and verified around 150 persons. 6 persons were detained and handed over to City Police for further verification. General Secretary of Federation of Government College Teachers Association Dr. N. Somendro announced that FEGOCTA will launch a cease work strike from today to demand implementation of the 7th Pay and UGC Regulations 2018. The teachers decided to go ahead with a fresh steer after no positive response was received from the government regarding their demands. He told this to the media at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today.
Government ki spokesperson su ebo honorable education minister da koi nahan si pisan jakre aduga India ki government ta maroina Prime Minister of India aduga koi gi honorable CM aduga interlocutor we ba koi gi governor so bi ba Nagaland governor so bi sta koi pisan jagani aduga matam ki tholok pa national disaster da koi gi chief minister relief fund da happen sing si tobi koi strike to supam pamde hari ba senga se koi da impose to bani government na karim ta harak taba aduga mayam matai na tong khraba atop employee gi 7 basic pi khraba aduga atop India gi station pi khraga koi khitak pi daba aduga government na masigi matang da sab saba communication natraga amata pirak da tumin lai kibasa masa koi nuai ta janga sigi press conference to buni.
Federation of Haumi today organized a one-day discussion program on the theme Know Your Identity at the Community Hall of Nongdam under Imphal East. Talking at the program, Secretary General of Haumi Federation, Yazing Bisisi, said the program aims to spread an awareness on the responsibilities of the masses in sorting out the issue of differences among the Tangkhul community and the Meitei community in the region.
Same area ni district Khaibawatani aduna know your identity Meitei nang kanano Tangkhul ai kanano haisi bahap tana ba bahap targa nusi chana leina ba sigumagi meeting ama sinbani si border the leibni na bahap tana dana amana ama lawbada taning dana khatna ba chenna ba yai aduma thoktaningai hoina akhoi amatani ko haibagi know your identity haina khoina
Kanglei Park News, Tengbang Loop today extended aid to Thukchom Menjor of Khongjom Laibung, who is currently facing hardships of life. KNTL handed over food items to the helpless family of Menjor as a part of the initiative being taken up by the group to support people who are poor and needy. Volunteers of KNTL expressed gratitude to all the individuals for the noble cause and appealed to the masses to help each other and maintain love and brotherhood. The 66th All India Indian Cooperative Week 2019 observance that began from November 14 wrapped up today at the Institute of Cooperative Management, Lumphale in Imphal. At the closing event, 17 individuals, including students of ICM and cooperators, were felicitated. Speaking at the function as Chief Guest Registrar of Cooperative Society, Robert Tretrimayam IS stressed on the necessity of cash in improving the economy. He also underlined on the need of hard work and said that the cooperative society in the state is doing its best for the betterment of the society.
Stakeholders in Sina, Padaraga, Mayam Sibu, and Pluto and Diraga, Koidalum, Iva, Amatimatu, Typical in the Sinaraga, of the interest, and the corresponding Simba. Once a rotation of economy activities, Masiki, will the Vichakase, was elected a member from the Absolver.
Now it's time for a short commercial break, but coming up next. Muddy vehicles made to clean on spot. Stay right there for more updates.
SS Enterprises ta miyam gi damak leizare makhal makha kya gi sound lights teas amadi tent house gi polam sing makhal khuding makki light amadi luhong khongdong bagi polam sing gi damak 10% discount pijari akopamarol gi damak contact tobiu SS Enterprises kiamgai khoirom laikai near Youth Social Club contact number 8837218002.
Special discount to welcome the winter of 2019. 10% discount on labor charges. 5% discount on spare parts for Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires. Free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting. 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors, Airport Road, near Comprehensive Concept School, 795001. Contact number 9366508258.
Welcome back. A team of Nongpok Sekmai Police, led by its officer in charge, today checked movement of all vehicles, including tractors used for agricultural purposes in Nongpok Sekmai area, during which all muddy vehicles were made to clean on the spot. The step was taken up following an order issued by Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal District regarding inconveniences caused to commuters by such vehicles. District Administration Thoubal and District Health Society Thoubal under National Health Mission jointly organized a district-level health baby show 2019 at NHM Conference Hall, CMO Complex Thoubal, Wangmataba today. Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal and Bandana Devi, CMO of Thoubal Dr. N. Jayant Kumar Singh and District Family Welfare Officer Dr. KSH Memcha Devi attended the event. DC and Bandana said mothers are fundamental to ensure healthy baby. The show was held in 3 categories from 6 to 11 months, 12 to 23 months and 24 to 35 months. Certificates and cash prize were distributed to the winners.
Immunize about announcing Mama Papa's book, a incentive people in a Kalabaya, the Boyna, the sea, the people of the people of Makata, around the people back, announcing state up, and people just get back up Germany, the ceremony, when the last in the gate, Canada, me to try the poor money when I'm passing Sida, incentive enough, the company.
District Health Society Technopol under the supervision of Chief Medical Officer Dr. Larthari Hamar also organized District Level Health Baby Show Competition 2019 at More Sub-District Hospital today. The event was held under 3 categories from 6 months to 1 year, 1 year to 2 years and from 2 years to 3 years. Cash prize and certificates were distributed to the healthy babies. Lamding Education Welfare Association, Lamding Kumanthim Laikai, Thobal District today distributed monthly pension of Rs 600 to 24 differently abled persons from 5 different localities of Thobal District during a simple function at the office of Liwa. The initiative was part of a pension scheme which will continue for 1 year. The pension amount was sponsored by founder cum principal of Slopeland Public School, Khongjom Nahakpam Babulin. The pension distribution was held in the presence of Sangayupam, Zilla Parishad, Habizur Rahman and others. NSNK has claimed responsibility for burning down of a water tanker belonging to Bharatiya Infra Projects Limited at a spot located between Khongnem and Karong under Senapati district last night. In a press release, the NSCN GPRN stated that the tanker was set on fire under the leadership of National Highway Operation Commander Calvin Vemai, Manipur sector, giving a warning to the company. Commuters on the National Highway 37 Imphal-Jiribam Highway are constantly facing a lot of inconveniences. According to our correspondent, several vehicles, including passenger vehicles and goods-laden trucks, have remained stuck in a heavy traffic jam today along the highway near the Barak Bridge. It is learned that the traffic jam was caused by a huge number of oil tankers and bullet trucks escorted by CRPF Jawans heading to Imphal. Later, a team the CRPF personnel took stock of the situation and cleared the heavy traffic that lasted for hours. Superintendent of Police Imphal East Jogesh Chandra today inspected preparations of Sangai Festival 2019 at Hatta Kangjembung, Imphal East, the main venue of the festival. Given the present situation, the Kokomi has announced to boycott the annual tourism festival organized by the Manipur government. Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights Churachandpur has strongly condemned the molestation of a woman allegedly by 12 Assam Rifles posted at Khudengthangbi Assam Rifles post on 18th of this month on the pretext of frisking and checking. As per a press release from the organization, a lady personnel of the troop was involved in the incident, which was recorded by the Assam Rifles personnel on camera. Further, KWOHR maintained that it will not keep quiet until justice is delivered to the victim. Zilaigrong United Front has warned its rival faction, which has been merging with GPRN and SCNU, to immediately stop collection of taxes and operation in Zilaigrong areas. A press statement from the ZUF accused the group led by Raitu Chuang for lacking vision and confidence on the Zilaigrong issues. The statement also informed the general public that there is only one ZUF operation in Zilaigrong areas. Another commercial break here, but coming up. Alert protest meet continue against potential threat from Naga peace talks. More after the break.
Iramdamda fangba polamsingna iramdam asimaktada sajaba kanglagi polamsing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyamgidamak leizare lei makabok loinana luhong bagi yakhanaba discount su izari akup Akupa Marol Gidama contact you 8131877217 Natraga 9612056941.
Kangla kabok chabiyo yamna hawbani.
Kangla Laima Kabo.
Yang wat.
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance. Rebalance na haksang sol amadi electrolyte singi awat pa mekhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Welcome back. Kangchup Sanjingbam Apunba Mera Pai Bilub today staged an alert protest at the local community hall. The protest demanded that the territorial integrity of Manipur should be left undisturbed while finalizing Naga political problems. The protesters also demanded disclosure of the secret framework agreement signed between the Government of India and NSC and IM. Mitai Presbyterian Christian Naharup has said that the agreement between Government of India and the NSC and IM should not harm the interest of Manipur. During a press meet at their office at Naharup today, N. Premjit, one of the leaders of the group, said that the agreement should not be allowed to trigger unrest in the state. The group also criticized CAP 2016 and pledged that all Meitei Christians will stand opposed to the bill. Manipur Democratic Alliance will submit a memorandum to the Prime Minister and Home Minister of India over the CAB issue. In a press statement, MDA convener K. Khangimba informed that the memorandum will be submitted to the two leaders through the Governor of Manipur to demand for incorporation of a special clause and provision in the CAB to protect the people of the Northeast. Wushu Association of Manipur has appealed to international peace and social advancement to bring a solution to the persisting misunderstanding between different divided groups of the association. Speaking to media persons today at Manipur Press Club, General Secretary in charge of Wushu Association of Manipur, T. Sunildro, maintained that earlier under the aegis of IPSA, it was agreed for setting up of an ad hoc committee until the matter is resolved. However, one of the groups had violated the agreement.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯕꯤꯔꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯎꯁꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯧ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯄꯨꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯏꯟꯆꯥꯔꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯥꯔꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯠꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯗꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯪꯅꯤ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯀꯔꯝꯅ 19 ꯁꯕ ꯖꯨꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯁꯦꯝꯂꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯄꯣꯀꯦꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯤꯗꯥꯎꯠ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯌꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯀꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯀꯔꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯗꯔꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯂꯤꯁ ꯊꯥꯕꯅꯣ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯞꯁꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯇꯛꯁꯟꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯨꯁꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤ.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the National Register of Citizens process will be carried out across India. Amit Shah said this in the Rajya Sabha today, clarifying there would be no discrimination on the basis of religion. He said in Assam, the NRC process was carried out as per an order of the Supreme Court, adding that when the NRC will be implemented in the entire country, Assam will also be included. The Assam citizens list put out in August left out 19 lakh people. Shah said that in Assam, people whose name has not figured in the draft list yet have the right to approach tribunals. Shah reiterated that all citizens of India, irrespective of religion, will figure in the NRC list. On the controversial Citizenship Amendment Bill, which seeks to provide citizenship status to non-Muslim refugees, Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, Christians and Sikhs and Parsis, he said the government feels they should get citizenship and this is why the bill has been brought in. All refugees coming from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan on account of religious atrocities will get citizenship under the bill, he added. Now the sports news. Elsa Narain lifted the champion trophy of first Laishram Kirani Memorial Senior League 2019, organized by District Football Association Moirang from October 16 last at the playground of Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School. In the final match, Elsa Rain Sena defeated Amofa Academy by 1-0. Altogether, 11 teams took part in the tournament. Before we wind up, the top news headlines once again. Ex-MLA R.K. Anand slams ruling BJP for doing little on pressing issues. IED detected on Imphal-Ukhrul Road, major tragedy averted. And Congress leaders in discussion ahead of meeting with NCP later. This is all we have for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.